Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's my Journey Canada vlog. For today's video, gagawa ako ng reaction regarding dun sa video na kumakalat ngayon dito sa Canada regarding sa food delivery na nangyari sa Whitby, Province of Ontario. Ang nangyari, yung delivery driver, dinuraan yung drink ng customer. Hindi niya alam, kitang-kita siya sa doorbell camera nung house, and then meron pa palang nakaset up na camera yung customer dun sa sasakyan. Ang masaklap nito, paano kung nainom ng customer or nung member ng family or kung sino man yung drink na yon. So delikado, di ba? I'm pretty sure malaki yung fine nito dito sa Canada pagka ganito yung ginawa mo. 'Di ba? Maaari kasing magkasakit yung tao o yung customer na umorder, and then kung yung mga bata yan, ako naiisip ko pa lang sobrang nandidiri ako na I'm not sure. So eto, pe-play natin. We'll see yung mga reactions ng Canadians and magbabasa tayo ng mga comments regarding dito sa video na to. So ito, panoorin na natin yung video. So, may order na 3 drinks as I can see yung customer dito. And then yung first 2 drinks, yung isa doon, ayun yung na-tampered yung sticker.
Spitting in my drink.
So sorry.
Why did you? This is for my son, my 2-year-old son.
Yeah.
Why would you spit in my drink?
So sorry, sir.
Why? Why? I want to know why you did it.
I don't
For
know.
what? We tipped you. What's the problem?
No problem, sir. My kids are my car.
Your kids are in your car, so you spit in my drink for my kids, right? Should I come spit in your kid's water bottle?
Then, sir, I bring another two.
Should I spit in your kid's water bottle?
Sorry, sir. So sorry, sir. Then, so I'm so sorry.
So should my son drink this, or you should drink it? You drink it right now. You drink it. Take that seal off, and you're gonna drink your spit. Okay? Give me my drink. I want you to drink that right now.
So
Okay?
sorry,
Drink it.
sir. I'm so Muslim,
Drink
sir.
it.
I'm Muslim, sir, so I don't.
You don't drink what? Fruit juice? Or you don't drink your own spit?
Okay, no problem. I drink it after.
So drink it.
Sorry, sir.
No, drink it now. You spit in my drink, right? So drink it. That's your spit in there. You broke the seal.
Oh no.
Yeah, you broke the seal. I have it on camera. You broke the seal and you spit in my drink, right? I have it on camera. My car records. My phone records. Everything records. Don't act like you didn't do it. I have you on camera.
Okay, sir. I'm so sorry.
Drink your spit,
So sorry, sir.
okay? Shame on you. Shame on you.
So sorry again.
Yeah, so sorry for spitting in my drink. Good for your kids. And your kids don't have seatbelts on. They should be in car seats. Why do your kids not have seatbelts on?
I just come nearby, so.
You just live nearby? They should have seatbelts on. Why do your kids not have car
Why?
seats? Okay? Don't spit in my kid's drink. You never come to my house again. You understand?
Okay, okay.
Don't ever come to my house again.
He's washing.
Huh?
Look, he's still washing.
Get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Wait. You wait. Yeah, you wait. You wait right there. Yeah, that's for that. Yeah, pull him over. He's trying to drive off. Pull him over.
Hey, George, relax.
Got both his kids, huh? With no seatbelt, no car seat.
So yun mga kabayan, dinuraan yung drink, nag-order ng 3 drinks yung customer, and then yung isa doon, yun yung kitang kita sa doorbell camera nung customer, and then meron pa raw siyang nakasetup na camera dun sa sasakyan sa labas. And kung makikita nyo naman sa video, obviously talagang may tinanggal siya dun sa drink, and then makikita nyo yung mukha niya talagang dinuraan talaga yung isang drink. And then na-confirm niya yon yung pag-check dun sa first 2 drinks, yung isa sira talaga yung tape, and then parang maangam pa yung itong delivery driver sa una, na parang nagulat siya na pinakita nung customer. And buti kalma lang yung Canadian, hindi sobrang nagalit or nagwala. Kung iba yan, nako, yari siya. Grabe talaga, sobrang nakakadiri. Kaya imagine nyo yung mga nag-order dyan na drinks or pagkain, binababoy. No, sabi naman ng customer, what's the problem? I tip you. Is it just about the religion and then yung way of life nila sa home country ng pinanggalingan or what? Pero sobrang grabe. Kahit ako nandidiri ako, napanood ko yan. Imagine kung nainom yan nung customer, nung family members, lalo na ng mga bata, magkakasakit yan. So nangyari, pinag-fine daw ng police ng $500, and then kick out na siya dun sa delivery company. That's DoorDash. Let's see yung ibang comments dito, no, ng mga Canadians and then ng locals. Grabe. Eto, magbasa tayo. Does DoorDash pay so well that I could afford a newly fully loaded Honda Civic, or is it federally subsidized for newcomers that hate Canadians? Ito pa, what the heck? Why would you do that? Because of these few folks, entire brown people are generalized and looked down, and why can't? So ito parang nagre-react lang, bakit daw Pinos or something. May nag-comment. We don't want the rest of this country turning into Brampton, okay pal? Spare me the victim shit. No. This is insanely repulsive. How many times has he done this before? Or other drivers for that matter in their vehicle before even bringing the food up? $500 fine isn't enough. And those kids with no seatbelts or car seat, pathetic as AF. Thank you for sharing this with everyone. So glad you caught him and called the police for the kids' safety. Spitting in people's drinks, kids not wearing seatbelts, no car seat, people making up their own license plates and crapping on beaches. Lovely. Ayun yung ilan sa mga comments, and then basahin pa natin sa isang nag-share. Disgusting. What else happens in the kitchen? This is common in India. May isang nag-comment. Now it's becoming common in North America too. Oh my God. And then may isang nag-comment, parang ano rin to, kalahi nila. Finally, this spitting thing has come to Canada. Get the taste. Just Google about it and you will know. And then nag-reply, yes brother, just Google spitting on food. There's so much info. Really sad to see this. I have decided not to buy from any place that makes biryani. I do not want to someone spit in my food. I will just make them biryani at home. I will leave it to that, mga kababayan. So panoorin nyo na lang. Ngayon lang nangyari yan, a few days ago, dito sa province of Ontario, sa Whitby. See you again next time. Bye bye.